This is part 2 of front crankshaft seal replacement, a step-by-step guide. Please support our channel and videos. Now, we'll guide you through the last processes. Let's get started. With the timing cover off, you'll have a clear view of the crankshaft seal. Removing obstructions is like peeling layers off an onion. Each step gets you closer to the core. Step 2. Removing the old seal. Now that you can see the crankshaft seal, it's time to remove it. Locate the seal. Identify the front crankshaft seal around the crankshaft. Use a seal puller. Insert the seal puller tool carefully between the seal and the crankshaft. Be cautious to avoid scratching the crankshaft. Pry out the seal. Gently pry out the old seal. This might take a bit of force, but be patient. If the seal is stubborn, a flathead screwdriver can help. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Removing the old seal is like extracting a tooth. It requires patience and precision to avoid creating more problems. Step 3. Preparing the new seal. Before installing the new crankshaft seal, you need to prepare it properly. Inspect the new seal. Make sure it's clean and undamaged. Lubricate the seal. Apply a light coat of fresh motor oil to the seal. This helps it slide into place more easily. Check alignment. Ensure the seal is correctly aligned with the crankshaft housing. Proper alignment ensures it fits snugly and functions properly. Preparing the new seal is like prepping ingredients before cooking. Everything needs to be perfect before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Installing the new seal. Now comes the crucial part, installing the new seal. Position the seal. Place the new seal over the crankshaft opening. Press the seal in. Use a seal installer tool or a large socket to press the seal into place. Make sure to apply even pressure around the seal's edge. Ensure proper seating. Check that the seal is flush with the engine block and evenly seated all around. Installing the new seal is like fitting a lid on a jar. It needs to be tight and secure to prevent any leaks. Step 5. Reassembling the engine components. Finally, you need to put everything back together. Reinstall the timing cover. Place the timing cover back over the crankshaft area. Secure it with bolts and make sure the gasket is properly seated. Reattach pulleys and belts. Put the pulleys back in place and reinstall the serpentine belt. Use the tensioner to adjust the belt tension. Lower the car. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Check for leaks. Start the engine and check for any oil leaks around the new seal. Reassembling everything is like solving a puzzle. Each piece must fit perfectly to avoid future problems. Post-replacement checks and maintenance. After successfully replacing the front crankshaft seal, it's essential to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This section covers the vital steps you should take post-replacement, from leak inspections to regular maintenance tips. Inspecting for leaks. Once the new front crankshaft seal is in place, the first thing to do is check for any oil leaks. Here's how you can go about it. Visual inspection. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Look under the hood and check the area around the new seal for any visible signs of oil seepage. If you see any oil, it might mean the seal isn't seated correctly. Check other components. Also, inspect nearby engine components like the oil pan, timing cover, and valve covers. Sometimes, replacing one seal can shift tiny bits of another part. Use a clean rag. Wipe around the seal area with a clean rag. If you notice fresh oil on the rag, that's a clear indication of a leak. Inspect the driveway. After running the engine, park your car and place a clean cardboard piece underneath. Leave it there for a couple of hours and then check for oil spots. By thoroughly inspecting for leaks, you can ensure that the new seal is doing its job perfectly, keeping your engine oil securely inside. Test driving the vehicle. A quick test drive is crucial to ensure the new seal is properly installed and that there are no issues after replacement. Short drive. Start with a short drive around the block. This helps to get the engine up to operating temperature and puts the new seal through its paces. Pay attention to any unusual noises or smells. Monitor engine performance. Observe the engine's performance. Are there any new sounds or vibrations? Is the engine running smoothly, or do you notice any hiccups? Check for warning lights. Keep an eye on your dashboard. If any warning lights come on, especially those related to oil pressure or the engine, it might be a sign of an issue. Recheck for leaks. After the test drive, take another look under the hood. This is to ensure that no new oil leaks have appeared during the drive. The test drive is like a final exam for your repair work. It confirms that everything is functioning as it should. Regular maintenance tips. Replacing the crankshaft seal is just one part of maintaining your vehicle. To prolong the life of the new seal and other engine components, follow these regular maintenance tips. To prolong the life of the new seal and other engine components, follow these regular maintenance tips. Regular oil changes. Change your engine oil and filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Fresh, clean oil reduces the strain on seals and keeps your engine running smoothly. Check fluid levels. Regularly check the levels of other fluids, such as coolant and transmission fluid. Keeping these at the right levels prevents additional stress on the engine. Inspect belts and hoses. Periodically inspect your engine belts and hoses. Cracked or frayed belts can cause vibrations that may affect the seals. Keep the engine clean. A clean engine is less likely to develop leaks. Wipe down your engine periodically and address any minor leaks promptly to avoid bigger issues. Listen to your engine. Pay attention to any changes in the sound or performance of your engine. Early detection of problems can save you from more significant issues later. Use quality parts. Always use high-quality parts for any replacements. Cheap parts may save you money up front but can lead to more frequent failures and additional costs down the line. By following these maintenance tips, you can keep your new crankshaft seal and the rest of your engine in top shape. Regular maintenance is like brushing your teeth. It's small, consistent actions that keep everything healthy. Replacing a faulty front crankshaft seal is crucial for your engine's health. It stops oil leaks and keeps the engine running smoothly. The process involves removing and replacing the old seal, ensuring proper alignment, and checking for leaks afterward. Key points to remember include recognizing the signs of a failing seal, having the right tools and safety gear, and following the detailed steps to replace the seal. If you're not confident in performing the replacement yourself, seek professional help. Ensuring your engine is well maintained will save you from more significant problems down the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.